people. Welcome on board of Hungary 2. On this Tornado catamaran here at Lake Garda, Torbole, we have Rudi Andorka and Gabor Ortobacci. You're from Balaton in Hungary. How is the difference between Lake Garda and here?
Stronger wind, I think.
Gabor, how is it to crew with a 13-year-old? You are 34 years old. How is it?
Good. This very big wind, very soft man. The soft man is good for sailing for tornado. I like very big working in the boat sailing. Not problem for the young man. Now I learning now for tornado sailing. It's good.
Rudi,
no
what
problem.
what boats have you sailed before sailing a Tornado, such a demanding boat?
Cadet, 3 years. Cadet and big boats. Dragon and this. Yes.
And all on Lake Balaton in Hungary, or hard winds on offshore?
Yes. Yes.
And offshore.
Offshore.
Offshore means off the coast. You can sail with a Tornado on the ocean.
Yes.
Is it good if the crew is so lightweight like Rudi? What do you think?
Azt nem értettem, don't
That's
understand.
nicht verstanden.
The crew is very light. Is that positive for the Tornado?
Yes, very. The screw is very light, and this big wind not good for the light screw. And this other project, other sails is good for the light people. My problem always for other Tornado Hungarian teams for more 100 kilo mans is not good for Tornado. Tornado is good for light man.
Rudi, Hungary has many very successful sailing teams. How popular is the Tornado in Hungary?
It's not so popular than I don't know why, but no free boats in Hungarian.
I see.
Yes.
What do you think is the reason why this fascinating boat like the Tornado is not that popular? You have many lakes, you have good sailors.
I don't know. In Hungarian, it's not popular for Tornado. Only 3 boats in the Hungarian need more marketing. For the Hungarian, this very cool, very good boat. This very more happiness for the sailing in Tornado in Hungarian. This boat is very difficult and very hard and very good. Very happiness sailing for this boat. In Hungarian, all peoples sailing for monohull, and monohull sailing and multi-hull sailing very different. This very speed and very good boat, and very big different for sailing.
Understand? Yes.
Thinking for this boat. All other peoples, old peoples, trying my boat for in Hungarian, and always big problem and always capsize, and very difficult learning this boat, and very happiness and very speed, very good.
So, Rudi, what are you doing to promote this boat?
Yes, I tell my friends, and we load Roland Gebler to the Blue Band in Hungarian, the Balaton Lake. Then he was first, he win it. Yes.
And this year, first time in Hungary, in racing for the very big race, and this race named Blue Ribbon in the multi-hull. This very good marketing for all multi-hull. This is the first time racing in the multi-hull in Blue Ribbons. I talking for my friend is Roland Gebler for coming for racing in multi-hull in Hungarian and winnering in the Blue Ribbon, and very good event for Libera class and multi-hull class, and different thing, and winnering for the multi-hull vs big skiff. This multi-hull, better speed, better funny, lower price. This is the very big problem. So more and more lower price for the multi-hull. Now is the first time racing good for multi-hulls in Hungary and Lake Balaton. Good marketing and more boats, multi-hull boats, and very good people. Andy Hagara, Roman Hagara, Mitch Booth, and Roland Gabler. And this year's the first years for very good race for multi-hull race in my country, and now beginning changing the things people's in Hungarian for more people shopping multi-hull boat, and now making for better and good race.
So Gabor and Rudy, you are promoting the Tornado class in Hungary. You are learning on this beautiful multi-hull race boat, and I just can say thank you for the interview on board Hungary 2, and good races. How is it said in Hungarian?
Jó szelet, good wins.
Sok csajt.
More girls.
Jó szalat to my Hungarian friends. Thank you very much, Gabor and Rudy.
Hogy egy jó 2-es, 3-as, 4-esre felerősödő szél lesz, öcsi nyomulsz, figyelsz, rendesen